In this video, we're going to show you how to fix critical process died blue screen error on Windows 11. Right, so if you've encountered the blue screen of death, oh my god, on your Windows 11, there are a few ways you can check or remedy this. So the first thing you can do is go to the driver updates. So you can just click on the Windows home button here and just click on device manager, as you can see here, and go check one by one whether or not there is an update on a specific driver. This is a bit tedious because there's a lot, right? So this is one way. The other way is again going back to the Windows home button here and just type in Windows update. So check if there's an updates pending. So you can just click for updates, check for updates here. So I'm not gonna wait for it anymore because I think I'm very updated. So again, updates might be very crucial. Another way to check if maybe you have an overheating component. So if you have something like CPU ID, which is an app, as you can see here, automatic update. If you have an app like CPU ID, which is a monitor for all of your hardware components, it can check each of your hardware. So it can check your motherboard, your chip, your GPU, everything. So we're just gonna wait for it to be. There you go. So as you can see here, you can check if you're overheating. As you can see here, temperature is pretty baseline for my motherboard. For my chip, it's very normal. You're gonna see the temperature here for each of this is my 1 terabyte SSD. So as you can see here, it's very low. Something about 880 consistently is something to be concerned of. So you can check for hardware updates, for hardware temperature overheating here. And yeah, these are the things you can check. If you're still having a blue screen, you might want to bring it to the technician. If you can't, don't, if you're not capable, do not bring it to professional. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.